We have data on 11 cars, their age against their value, and 7 have been plotted. The first question says, plot the points for the remaining 4 cars. So let's do this. 3 years is going to go against 8, like so. 7 years against 5.6, 7, that's 5, that's going to be 5.6. Each one of these little squares is going to be 0.2. 8 against 5, and 12 against 0.4. That's going to be right here. Let me try that one again. Brilliant. Describe the type and strength of the correlation shown in the completed scatter diagram. It's negative correlation because I've got a negative gradient, because as the age increases, the value decreases. We say it's negative, and it's pretty strong. Like it's, apart from this one point here, it's pretty well on a straight line. You could argue maybe it's moderate. I think that should be accepted as well, but I'm going to write strong negative correlation. One car lost its value more quickly than the others, so circle it. That's going to be this one here. It's only 4 years old, but it's already lost a lot of its value by the looks of it. Then by drawing a line of best fit, estimate the value of a car that's 6 years old. We don't have any information on that, but we can estimate it. Even if it didn't say draw a line of best fit, that's what you should do. It's just good practice. So just a guide, because there's lots of possible lines of best fit. Probably avoid this anomaly because it's it's a bit. If we take it into account, it's going to move our line of best fits. So we try and get a line that goes through all of has the same number of points either side. Okay, so that one's got. Oh, I better keep it going. That one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. That's not bad. But there's other ones that would be acceptable. Okay, and then I want to estimate a car that's 6 years old, and this is gonna, this is gonna be just my line of best fit. Your answer might be slightly different. So I think it's good practice to draw a line. I've drawn a dotted line. It goes up to 6, and then we read it along, and it's going to be 6.6 thousand. It does say in thousands there, so yeah, 6,600 I should really write. Explain the limitations of using the equation to estimate the value of a car that's 16 years old. Well, if I was to carry it on, then first of all, I'd be going outside the data range. But second of all, I'd end up with a negative value. So you can actually say either of these. I'd say just the standard one is to say it's outside the data range, so unreliable. This is called extrapolation. Okay, if you want, you can talk about it being negative, but this is more of a standard answer that will apply in lots of situations.